Good morning, class. Today, we're going to talk about hobbies and what you like to do in your free time. Each of you will stand up and tell us about your favorite hobbies, activities, or sports. Who would like to start? Hi, everyone. My name is Lily. My favorite hobby is drawing and painting. I love using bright colors to make pictures of animals and flowers. On weekends, I like to go to the park and sketch the trees. I also enjoy reading storybooks before bed. When it's sunny, I ride my bike around the neighborhood. Drawing makes me happy because I can use my imagination.
Hello, I'm Jack. My favorite hobby is playing soccer. I play as a goalkeeper for my team, and we practice every Saturday. I also enjoy watching soccer games on TV with my dad. When I'm not playing soccer, I like to read books about space. Learning about planets and stars is so cool. Sometimes, I play board games with my little sister. Soccer and space are the best.
Hi, I'm Emma. My favorite thing to do is bake cookies and cakes with my mom. I love decorating the cookies with sprinkles and chocolate chips. When I have free time, I also like to play dress up with my little sister. We pretend to be princesses and have tea parties. On sunny days, I enjoy skipping rope in the backyard. Baking and playing with my sister always make my day special.
Hi, my name is Noah. My favorite hobby is building things with Legos. I like making castles, cars, and sometimes spaceships. I also enjoy playing with my dog, Max, in the park. He loves to fetch sticks. In my free time, I watch superhero cartoons or draw pictures of my favorite heroes. Building with Legos helps me feel like an inventor.
Hi, I'm Sophie. I love dancing, especially ballet. I practice twice a week at my dance school. I also enjoy playing with my rabbits, Fluffy and Snowball, in the garden. In my free time, I like to read books about animals and nature. When it's rainy, I stay indoors and watch funny cartoons with my brother. Dancing is my favorite because it makes me feel like a star.
Hi, I'm Ryan. My favorite hobby is solving puzzles. I like to build big jigsaw puzzles with my dad. I also enjoy riding my skateboard outside. When I'm not skateboarding, I like to play video games with my friends. Sometimes, I help my mom in the kitchen to make spaghetti, which is my favorite food. Skateboarding and puzzles are my favorite things to do.
Thank you, Ryan. It sounds like you have a lot of exciting hobbies. Great job, everyone! Sharing your hobbies helps us get to know each other better.